I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Block Blast and heading straight to Settings Appearance. This gets you into the theme system. Make sure the game is updated to the latest patch and back up your config and saves so changes are reversible. If the build offers developer or experimental toggles, enable them now. This unlocks extra theme tools. Once done, close Overlays, restart the game, and return to Appearance to see newly available options. This prepares the environment for swapping themes safely. You now install and configure the theme itself. If a theme store exists, download and apply directly, otherwise import a custom theme package, pack or zip into the game's mods or themes folder, keeping folder structure exact. After files are in place, open Appearance and tweak palette, fonts, and UI scale so elements remain readable and consistent across screens. Once configured, apply the theme and test multiple screens, menus, HUD, and maps to confirm assets load correctly and layout remains intact. You finish by restarting the game to finalize assets and clear temporary cache. This ensures new textures and sounds load cleanly. If parts of the theme are missing or broken, check the theme manifest, verify file names, and correct mod load order. Often a single misplaced file causes failures. Make sure to revert to your backup if instability occurs. One key troubleshooting tip: validate game files through the launcher to repair corrupted assets, then reapply the theme if validation succeeded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.